In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your WordPress site in maintenance mode. We'll do this right inside the WordPress site editor so you don't need any extra plugins. Start by opening the site editor and loading your blog home template so you can see what visitors currently land on. From here, open the editor's left sidebar to bring up the navigation panel, then head into Pages. We're going to create a simple maintenance message you can reuse, so choose Add Page. Give your new page a clear title, something like Maintenance Mode Works Well, then create it as a draft. Keeping it as a draft for a moment lets you build the layout before you apply it anywhere public. With the draft open, look to the Design tools and open Patterns. Patterns are pre-built layouts that save time and keep your page consistent with your theme. Find the 404 template pattern. It often includes a bold headline, a short explanation, and a call to action. Perfect building blocks for a "We'll be back soon" message. Insert that pattern into your draft. Next, switch over to the Blocks panel so you can fine-tune the text. Replace the default 404 headline with something like Scheduled Maintenance or We're Making Updates. Update the supporting paragraph to explain what's happening, and if you want, let visitors know when you expect to be back. You can also add a brief note about where to reach you, like a contact page link if that's appropriate for your site. Keep things concise and friendly. When it looks right, you're ready to put it in front of your audience. Now navigate back to the site editor's main area and open Blog Home again. This is where your homepage content lives. You've just prepared your maintenance layout and message. The next step is to apply your changes so visitors see it. Click Save in the editor. WordPress will show you what's being updated. Confirm by clicking Save again to publish those changes. At this point, your site's homepage will display the maintenance message instead of your usual posts or content. That gives you a clean, professional way to pause the public-facing experience while you work behind the scenes. A couple of quick tips. If your theme or host uses aggressive caching, you may need to clear the cache so the new message shows immediately. And when you're ready to go live again, simply restore your usual homepage content or remove the maintenance section you added. That's it. Your WordPress site is now in maintenance mode using the built-in editor, patterns, and a couple of quick saves.